We are live! What's going on over here in the kitchen? Killer!
Yeah.
Oi! Wow, what are you cooking here, cousin? Chicken?
Chicken.
Wow.
Filipino chicken.
Filipino chicken.
Yeah. Filipino chicken.
Traditional Filipino kitchen. I mean chicken, not kitchen.
Galing mo.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Wow!
Filipino chicken.
Very good for the chicken.
This is
Then no power. Then stove.
no power. Yeah, no power.
Stove. Stove fire.
Here's the fire.
Stove fire. No electric power. Then stove fire. Stove fire.
It's a fire.
No. No electric. No electric. Mom, pinatubo.
Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the chicken, y'all. Look at this chicken. Wow, beautiful. This is Philippine greatness right here. Woo! Look at that. Wow. This is great. This is great.
And then move.
This is
and then island hopping.
this is what you call what do you call the chicken? Pork? No, pork. No.
No pork.
What do you call the chicken ring? Neck? No, not neck. Chicken. Chicken. God damn it.
And then move.
This is
Philippine chicken.
no, not this. God damn it. Not national chicken. What do you?
This is chicken in a salad.
No.
Chicken
anyhow.
Anyhow.
No,
Yeah.
She called it, what did my wife call it?
Anyhow.
God damn it.
And when you cook in English, and then open fire.
Will? Chicken will.
Drill, chicken drill.
Traditional.
Yeah, chicken drill.
Tradition.
Chicken drill. Yeah,
Traditional chicken!
chicken drill.
Whoa! Chicken asal. Chicken in a side. I am right here with the chef. Woo!
That's it, are you okay? Are you okay, Kate?
5%. Such a good time, but I'm enjoying. Oh my God! Look at the juices. Oh man! Wow! I love this. Look at this. Look at this. I love chicken. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You can't tell me you are not going to. You are not gonna have enough of this shit. Woo! Listen! We are here. Oh man.
Go, get it out. Go. Come on. Go now. Wait, okay, wait.
We are here